Hello everybody, it's Susan. Art by Susan King is my channel name. And today I'm doing a modified bloom. So, just want to show you my tray. I know it's up too high, but I'll try and show you. This is the tray. This is just something I got. A picture I got from the secondhand store, and it's chipped on the one side, so I can't use it, so I'm putting it on my spinner. A few people have been asking me where or how I do it. This is my spinner right here. This is the glass Lazy Susan. The base comes out to about here, and I've taped it on this board with duct tape. It stays pretty good. This Lazy Susan spins really nice. It's quiet, really fast. It's got ball bearings in the center, and that's the best kind to find. I do have a couple of different ones, or of different sizes, on my Amazon shop. See, here's the board here. It's quite big. Yes, so anyway, the Lazy Susan, I have a couple on my Amazon shop, and the links to my Amazon shops are in my description below the video, as well as any recipe that I use for the video, my videos. So I'm going to, where did I put the canvas? Paint over something that I don't like anymore. I actually didn't mind it, but all the marks that I put on here for the middle part, I used a little skewer for that, like this, and it marked the canvas. You can see all the marks. It doesn't look very nice, so I decided to paint over it. Make sure that you can see. Okay. So, I will be using all leftover paints today. Trying to use up my bloom paints. And just trying to get rid of them so I can start fresh with some new colors. So I will name the paint, the color of the paint and the brand as I pour them. I'm using Beauti-Tone Signature Series Velvet White base. I thinned it down. It's getting quite thick now. I've had it for a little bit, and I thinned it down with some pouring medium, Liquitex pouring medium, and some water, and some GAC 800. So it still seems kind of thick, so hope it goes well. Okay. So here I go. I have thickened up my paints a little bit. I thinned them down too much. It's so frustrating. I thought I could thin them down so that I would have an easier time blowing them, and it would blow over a lot easier than it has been lately. But it was too thin, so let's try it again. Thickened up my base coat too, just a little bit. All right, so now thickened up my paints. Here we go again. All right, I'm gonna add this. Is Payne's Gray, Amsterdam. Maybe I spread my paint out too much as well. I don't know. I'm not sure. Whoops. And now, just gonna put a little bit of the white there. All right, ultramarine blue. And this is Phthalo. Ultramarine blue is Liquitex. This is Phthalo green, Amsterdam. Let's hope it works. This little piggy. This one might be too thin, but try and use up the last of this. This is Sapphire. I always end up putting too much paint on. All right, I'm just going to move the camera away while I blow the CA over. It's a lot quicker than moving my camera right now. All right, I'm out of breath now. I'm going to blow the edges out. Oh, I'm dizzy. Okay, cells aren't that great still. Okay, so hopefully that's good. Now for the spin. quite looking the way I want it to look. Okay, I think it looks pretty cool. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just go through here and make some hearts. Or try to. Maybe that wasn't enough. It didn't quite work out that way, the way I wanted it. No, I think I better just leave it. It's different. Oops, my head was in the way, I'm sorry. It's different, I'll tell you that much. I'm showing you a close-up of it. I like the edges. So check out the end of the video for the dried result of this. So I am back with the dried results. Most of it on the outside dried okay. It did crack all along here and here and a little bit in here because I left too much paint on the canvas and I did not cover it. I should have covered it and it probably would have been okay. So what I did was I just added a little bit of white paint in the cracked areas. It's still a little bit wet, so just leave it like that, I guess. And other than that, I like it. So I guess I learned my lesson. Take more paint off, and if not, cover it up and it dries slower and it shouldn't crack. Bring it down for the close-up. Thank you for watching my video. I appreciate you liking and subscribing to my videos. And see you in my next one. Bye for now.